Here's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Take control of any situation. With an impressive amount of different seating and storage combinations, you can carry kids, dogs, groceries, luggage, nearly anything you can think of. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. New car test drive highlights: the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super STOW-N-GO, works superbly well. For a fairly simple invention, it's a masterpiece. Can a vehicle be daring yet sensible? Yes, it's a Dodge. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Honesty, integrity, and a hometown feel. Stop into Classic Chevrolet today. We're conveniently located at 6190 West Blue Road in Lake City, Michigan.